welcome to this channel. Today, we're diving into the 5 best earning apps in 2025 that can help you boost your income effortlessly. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time earning opportunity, these apps have got you covered. Let's get started. First, we have Swagbucks. This app lets you earn points by completing simple tasks like watching videos, taking surveys, and shopping online. You can redeem these points for gift cards or PayPal cash. It's a great way to make some extra money in your spare time. Second is Rakuten, a cashback app that rewards you for shopping at your favorite stores. Simply shop through the app or website and earn cashback on every purchase. It's a simple and effective way to save money while you spend. Third is EarnCaro, an affiliate marketing app. Share product links with your network and earn a commission on every sale made through your link. It's perfect for those who love recommending products and want to earn from it. Fourth is Upwork. For freelancers, Upwork is a top choice. It's a platform where you can find clients from around the world looking for various services like writing, graphic designing, programming, and more. Set your rates, choose your projects, and start earning. Fifth is Survey Junkie, an app that pays you for sharing your opinions. Just sign up, take surveys, and get paid. It's a simple and easy way to make money without much effort. So there you have it. These are the 5 best earning apps in 2025 that can help you boost your income. Have you tried any of these? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more ways to make money online.